Hey friends, welcome back to Lori's Boston Found, where thrifted is the new black. Today I have a super fun video for you. I am doing a Thredup unboxing with my friend Hope from Racks2Riches Resale. We are back for a rematch. Hope felt like she was robbed when we had our competition where we each opened up a box of mixed bags, luxury handbags. The crowd seemed to think that I won this competition, so Hope is back for some revenge. And we are opening a shoe lot this time. So stay tuned if you'd like to see what I got in my Thredup mystery box. All right, everybody, so welcome back. My name is Lori. If you're new to my channel, I am so happy that you found your way to me. Thank you so much for stopping by to check this out. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and on eBay, and I also divide my time between reselling and sharing my thrifting adventures with you here over on YouTube. I'm so excited about this unboxing. I want to get right into it. So I'm in a different room right now because I was getting sick of competing with the light. So I don't know if I've ever filmed a video here in my dining room, but welcome to my dining room. This actually seems like a lot more of a controlled environment, except for the dogs, of course. They bark wherever I am. Before I get started too, I just want to say this Dunky Junkie is from Hope. She sent this to me as one of my Christmas presents, so I just wanted to wear it for this video because she knows how much I love my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I also do love Starbucks. A lot of people have asked. It's a tough call for me. Being from New England, it's almost like un-New England to say that you don't love Dunks, and I think our cars are just on autopilot to Dunkin' Donuts, but I do love a good Starbucks latte as well. Before I get started, if you are enjoying yourself at any time during this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, when you're done watching this video, make sure you go over and watch Hope's video. I will link all of her information down below. I'm sure you all have heard me talk about Hope before. Hope and I actually became friends through reselling, and I'm so grateful for her friendship, and she always keeps me laughing. Hope did visit me last August, and we had so much fun thrifting together. There's something so special about just having all day long to do what you love with someone you love. So we had so much fun, and I'm looking forward to Hope coming back. I know her video is going to be great because she's a riot. She's way funnier than I am. So let's get into this. So Hope actually got this box for me and sent it to me from her house. She's on some email chain that as soon as somebody sees that these boxes go live, they text Hope, and then she texted me, but every time she texted me, it was like too late. Like I didn't check my text fast enough, or I didn't get to Thredup fast enough in order to order it, and I think she got tired of me like missing the opportunity to buy one. So she went ahead and bought one for me. Well, actually her husband George, I heard, bought it for me. So thank you, George. And then it had to get shipped to their house in Indiana. So then she shipped it to me here outside of Boston. So this box has traveled far and wide to get to me, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go, let's open her up. You guys are gonna be seeing all of this for the first time with me. This is the only the second time I have ordered a mystery box from Thredup. This is a rescue box for $90, mixed rescue box shoes, 15 pairs. Ooh, there's 15 pairs in here. I think for purses we only got like 9 or 10. So I really literally can't see anything. I'm just gonna reach in and grab stuff. What's this first thing? All right, so first up, Spring Step. I am not familiar with this brand, but it looks kind of nice. Les Artistes, let me see. Can we see that? So what I will do is after I open this, I will go through and I will check out some of these shoes and see their value, and I'll pop in some comps for you. These are a size 36. They look to be in very good condition. Beautiful little sandal, great for the summer. It's a European brand, so I feel like that is probably a good sign. Looks very like tropical. Like this totally gives me like island vibes. This would be so cute in the summer on a little cruise when we can all vacation again someday in the future. These looks like dance shoes. These are legit jazz shoes. They're Saks Fifth Avenue, made in Italy. I don't know about these. You see that? Just like this nude color. I feel like it's a really nice minimalist look, and the leather is incredibly soft, but it's not like a Angelina is rushing sororities this week and everything is done online. So she's been on Zoom calls all day. Here's Angie.
Hello.
I was just saying that she is rushing a sorority this week, so she has been upstairs on Zoom chat. How's it going, Ange?
It's all right.
It's all right?
It's just okay.
She's like in a room and they're asking her all sorts of questions and she's
Do you want me to unbox?
Yeah, do you want to unbox? Just hand me a pair of shoes.
Oh, I thought, okay.
Here we go. What's up? We're doing one at a time.
Oh, wait, no, do these.
It's a mystery box, so I haven't seen anything. All right, what are these? These are Eastland. I don't know. These do not look very promising. I don't know, Hope. So far, you're winning. You're winning so far. They say Eastland boots. I mean, I'm sure they're leather. Do you see anything good in there, Ange? These are a woman's size 8 medium. So some cute little like Sherpa boots. I've never heard of Eastland. They have like a little bit of detail over here. They're not like trashed or anything. They're in good condition. I just think it'd be a matter of style preference. All right, I'm gonna keep looking. All right, I lost my assistant.
No, I'm sorry, I'm back.
No, that's okay. So next up are these cute ankle boots. I really do like these. Boo, boo, boo. You know what? This room is actually much darker, but it's easier on close-ups of things. So these are Earth Origins. So this is like a decent brand. You know, maybe like $30 for these. So far we're four pair in. I would give it a B- maybe. Leather upper. This is the Tory boot, made in China, size 6.5. This is a cute style. I do like this. It looks like fashionable, but also kind of comfy. It has like that nice soft footbed. All right, so we get 2 pairs of boots. We get some jazz shoes from Saks Fifth Avenue. All right, moving on. All right, these look very Steve Madden-ish to me. And they are Blondo. Actually, I just picked up a pair of Blondo winter boots yesterday. This is kind of odd how it does this. Like, I feel like it should come down a little bit more narrow for the shape, but Blondo actually does well. That's B-L-O-N-D-O. I don't know if you'll be able to see the logo in there or the name. What I will say so far is the condition of all of these have been really good. Like this, I mean, this is pretty white around the edge. There's a little tiny bit of scuffing that I could definitely get out with a magic eraser. The boots that I just listed, I listed for $100. They were much more substantial than these. I will check comps on all of these. All right, what's next? Oh, we have some fancy shoes. These are Banana Republic. Not bad. Little metallic-y. I think these are classic enough. I don't know that I would pick these up. Like, these would be a bins pickup for me. So far, all of these would be a bins pickup for me, but I find some, you know, sometimes things really surprise me at the bins. This is a very soft leather and it has like this little metallic-y fleck. Let's see what else is in the magic box. All right, that's the other boot. Ooh, these look nice. These look very nice. These are just like little kind of moto boots. I'm wondering who these are by. Kind of excited to see here. NDC, but it says made by hand. Made by hand. That has to be good. I'm trying to see a size or something on these. These are gorgeous. Has anybody ever heard of this? NDC? So they have like this little buckle detail here. Around the ankle, there's more. I'm not seeing a size, but I will look, but these are really nice boots. Really nice. I'm gonna have to look those up and see what their value is, but I have to believe these are a decent pair. What are these? All right, these are Stuart Weisman. So these are nice little blingy toes, little heel. I would say that these are rather dated, but still in very nice condition, you know? They say made in Spain, which is nice. Yeah, they're both in nice condition. It's too bad that we just passed like New Year's Eve because these would have been very nice for New Year's Eve, but they're lovely. I mean, I would probably list these around $35 or $40 and see what we would get. I mean, 15 pairs for $90. You don't really have to sell your shoes for that much to make your money back. You know, if I have 15 pairs and I make $20 on each pair, I'm going to more than double my money, more than triple my money actually. What is this? Oh, this is Bagli Mishka. All right, not bad. I just sold a coat by this designer. It sold for like $45. These are really pretty. Also struggling to find a size on these, but they are in nice condition. They're really pretty champagne color. Let me just get in close so I can show you some of the detail. Really pretty, really pretty. They almost have like a bronzy insole, like a mirror bronze insole. Soles are in good condition. I will say so far I'm very impressed with the condition of stuff. You just never know what you're gonna get. Gosh, I'm getting a lot of embellished shoes. These are Donald Pliner, okay? I don't mind Donald Pliner. I feel like a lot of people are anti-Donald Pliner, but I think his stuff sits for a while, but eventually it sells for, you know, that $30 to $40 mark, but I'm happy with these. Again, let me find the other one. All right, here's the other one. And again, look at the bottoms. Bottoms are in great condition. Can you hear How I Met Your Mother in the background? That's like the latest thing my kids are watching. These are in really good condition and they look very comfortable as well. I can't find a size. I'm gonna look. I'm kind of in a dark room right now too, so I'll have to check out later. But really great condition. I don't know, maybe I'd list these at 50 and see. It's so hard to know without comps in front of me. All right, next up are these Reeboks. I kind of like these. They're this nice olive green color, beautiful condition, like beautiful condition. They are, oh my gosh, none of these have sizes. Okay, I would say so far the biggest issue that I'm having with most of these shoes is that I'm not finding sizes because the condition is beautiful. Like white soles, they're this nice army green. I'll get in close to show you here. These are great. I'm not like a huge Reebok person, but these are, they don't have the logo anywhere, so they almost look like they could be anything. I really like these. Honestly, if these are my size, I think I might keep them. They look like they might be a little bit large for me, but they're really cute. I really like these. Sociology, these are definitely just like cheapy shoes, but they're actually really cute. I don't think these are bad at all. And again, they're like new. So these are at least marked. These are size 7, very cute. Just a really cute little sandal for summer with that fabric. This reminds me of something like I would see at Madewell. Like this is Madewell vibes to me with this pattern. But these are just like man-made. I don't think this is any leather or anything, but at least it's a cute style and in excellent condition. I keep getting closer to the camera. These are absolutely like new, beautiful loafers, and they are from Born. But I would venture to say these are new without tag. I'm wondering if they're men's and that's why they were shipped. No, they say 11 medium, so these are definitely women's and they're a leather upper. These are beautiful loafers. This is like that super soft leather, super soft. Gorgeous penny loafers. Wow, these are really nice. I think these might take a while because, you know, loafers don't always move really fast for me and they're also a size 11. However, I would probably price these, you know, I'm guessing $50 and, you know, see how they would move. They're beautiful. All right, just 2 shoes left. Lots of slip-on loafer styles, more loafers. All right, these are Haan. Really nice brands here. I'm not disappointed with this. This isn't bad. You know, I have to say, I feel like I got a lot of comfort shoes, a lot of loafers and sneakers, but I feel like that's where we're all at. I would much rather get loafers than a shoe, like a box full of high heels, you know? I think that a lot of these shoes are pretty practical, some flats, you know? I'm happy with this. These are Haans. What do you think I'm gonna say? They are like new condition. I'm so impressed. These are a women's 10.5. It almost seems like these people maybe hung out together. 10.5 and 11 size loafers. So these are a 10.5, I think they're women's. So Haan, really excellent condition. You can see from all angles. I don't know that these have ever seen a ground. Really nice. They are black They have like navy blue on the inside, 10.5 women's. Just lovely, beautiful. Pretty excited here. Some of these are nice. All right, just one more pair. It goes by so fast when we do these. All right, so these have a little bit of wear, but they are Lacoste, another pair of slip-ons. I like Lacoste. I feel like Lacoste moves kind of slow for me, but it's actually pretty expensive retail. I would definitely hit the outer soles of this with a magic eraser, but I think that would do the trick. The rest of the shoe is in great condition. It says, what size are these? Okay, these are a women's 7.5, so I'm happy the size is available on those. Could definitely clean those up, and I'm guessing between 35 and 45 for these, as far as what I would list them at. And that's that. So let's just review the shoes. I would say everything is in good condition or better, great condition or better. So we have these Lacoste slip-on shoes. We have these Haan loafers. Also some nice comfort slip-ons. These Born loafers, which are just absolutely beautiful condition. What else? The Reebok sneakers, which I think I might take if they fit me, because I love this color green. They look like they're going to be a little bit big, but these are just these sociology little shoes. Like I might list these for 20 bucks, 25 bucks and see what happens with those. These will probably be like a $18 to $22 sale. These Bagley Mishkas are really nice, but I can't find a size on them. They look bigger. Guessing like 10 or 11, but I may end up having to measure those. These little island sandals, I'm curious to see how that brand does, but these look like they've never been worn. These boots, what was the brand on these? Oh, Earth Origins, that's right. These boots are cute. I think style-wise, these are really cute. You know I have so many ankle boots. I'm glad I only got one pair in this lot. Banana Republic, little strappy heels, super cute. I also got these Blondo shoes, which the shape is really odd to me. That's just an odd, clunky shape, but I'm curious how they do. They're in good condition. They're like a nice taupey gray color. I also got these Stuart Weisman heels. So a little bit of a dated style. Stuart Weisman is just, you know, unless the style's really good, it's tricky. These Eastland suede boots, you know, these would be like a $20, $25 if I'm lucky. And then Donald Pliner slip-ons. This style slip-on was really big. I wonder if Hope got so many of this style as well. And then these are an interesting one. I'm curious to see how these will do. The Saks Fifth Avenue jazz shoes in like a nude color. Who knows? Maybe these will surprise me. The leather on these is really beautiful. And lastly, and what I'm probably the most excited for, are these shoes that are handmade NDC boots. I'm pretty excited to look these up and get some comps on these. Nothing crazy, no like Burberry or Gucci. I hope Hope got something like that. That's super exciting. But a solid showing, I would say. I mean, just to do the math, I spent $90. Well, actually, I sent Hope $100. So if we take $100 and then divide it by 15 pairs of shoes, that means each pair of shoes just cost $6.66, which is really not bad. If I can profit $20 per pair of shoes times 15, you know, that's $300. I will hopefully triple my money with this. I think I will. I feel pretty confident that I will at least triple my money. So that is all for today. I love doing these mystery boxes. Thank you, Hope, for tracking this one down and sending it to me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of my content, and remember to head on over to Racks2Riches and check out Hope's video and see what she got, and then report back. Let me know who won this competition, and I'm sure we'll be back with more competitions in the future. I always love a good challenge. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be back real soon. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.